Good morning, student. Today we start a new topic. The topic is pranayam, benefits of pranayam. Yesterday I giving you one video how can do you pranayam and what is the pranayam. So today in theory class we explain what is the pranayam and what is the benefits of a pranayam. See in your figure just a posture of the which type if you do the pranayam. So your what is the body posture. See these people will sit down with a straight, the chest will be straight, and see the what is the position in this pranayam, the main position of your hands. So in second figure you have a five fingers, the thumb fingers, index, middle, ring, and your little fingers. So in second, the third figure which can handle it. Okay, so you inside which finger, your this index finger, and your which middle finger is inside. See, inside folding, and your thumb will one side, and then next is you holding like this. Okay, one like this, then again just you hold this and open your thumb. Clear that? Like this. Okay, in your figure you see that which fingers you're folding, your index finger and your middle finger. This is the main posture of your finger. If you're doing pranayama, the hand portion is a very important. Okay, then next is your what is the pranayam. See, in this you write in your copy what is the pranayam and its benefits. See, I read cupping. What is the meaning of this cupping? See, the first word is cupping with stress. Cupping means overcome. How can you come out the stress? Okay, so cupping with stress by pranayam means if you're doing a pranayam, your stress level will be down, decrease. You come out, if you're doing pranayam, you come out the stress out. Okay, this then therefore pranayam is control of breathe, means you just it means inhale, and exhale means throughout the air. Okay, so you control inhale and exhale. This means a pranayam. One can control and rhythm of pranic energy with pranayam and achieve healthy body and mind in yogic points. Pranayam is basically what is basically series of exercise which aim at bringing more oxygen to blood and to the brain. What is the, if you pranayam, you take breathe means you take breathe means you take more oxygen. If you take more oxygen, this oxygen will go to the your all body parts. Okay, moving your blood will moving in your body parts, and oxygen will going to the go all body sides. Okay, the pranayam. Then second is a which types of benefit of pranayam. In figure you see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 points are there. So first point, help in you go to the clockwise. Okay, first I am going to the clockwise. The first point is a help in reversing the heart disease. Heart is pumping like this, pump. Just if you inhale, then your what heart is just like this close, then you exhale, just open your heart like this. Okay, so you take oxygen, you take more oxygen, then your heart will be doing properly pumped. Then second point is a increase energy. Why? Because if you take oxygen more, it's a blood is circulate. Okay, if blood is circulate, it's giving all body parts to the oxygen, then you have your body in your more energy. Then third is provide sense of calm, peace and balance. If you're doing pranayam like this, then what is you doing? Nothing. Your all body mind is relaxed and calm. Okay, then it's a balance to everything. The next, increase blood flow and slow to heart rate. Yes, it's a increase blood flow, means that if you are not taking oxygen more, then in your blood it's some like this chip. Okay, this blood it's not flowing like this. Okay, so if you take more oxygen, then your blood is very light and it's flowing in your muscles and flowing in nerves very frequently. The next, increase power of positivity. Positivity means your thinking will be positive. If you are taking stress, then see in Sushant case na, you see in previous time the what Sushant case means, if you are taking more stress, then in your mind will always be thinking a negative way. So if you are very stressfully, then you relax, calm, and taking a more breathing, inhale and exhale. Inhale means just take a air and exhale means just out the air. Then next point is reduce feeling and depression. Yes, depression and stress is more if you take more. In your case, if we all the teachers giving you more homework, more work, then you are taking a stress. No, but if you don't take stress, you slowly they're doing their work. Then next is reduce pain and enhance the body immune system. What is the meaning of immune? Immune means in your body some hormones, some liquid forms are there. It's a fighting to the diseases. Okay, what is the aim of this immune system? It's a fighting to the diseases, means white blood cells, red blood cells, so many bloods in your platelets. It's a fight, its work is fight to the diseases. Then next, reduce stress. Already explained, if you're doing pranayam, then stress, reduce the stress. The last point is your help controlling thoughts. This means some people, some students are which types of thinking, they are doing different work, but it's a new. Okay, so no, if you are doing their work, then no. If help controlling thoughts. Okay, so it's a meaning, it's it's a meaning that okay, it's a meaning help controlling thoughts. If you're doing work, but you give the time of that work. Okay, it's a not means if 1 hour you're doing one thing, then again 1 hour you're doing one thing, then again hour give you one thing. No, if you do any work, you take a time. Okay, you know that which types of work you are doing and what is the response of that work, it's a good or bad, which types of. Okay, so this all the exercises, all the points are finished. If any confusion, you ask in WhatsApp group, and just in your copy, PHU copy, this too, what is pranayam and its benefit, you write what is the pranayam, and next you write this figure like this same. Okay, draw, take time, just you draw and just send me your pics. Okay, if you any confusion, then ask. Thank you.